Hello, just wanted to do a little review on this Anker wireless charging pad. It's absolutely brilliant. Nothing revolutionary, they've been out a while now, but just thought I'd show it you anyway because it's actually ideal for fishing. And also guys, while I'm here, fishing at Stubby Lee's at the moment over in Lichfield, and it is absolutely brilliant, really nice place. So if you're ever over here and you fancy giving it a blast, then yeah, you really should. Fantastic place. But I'm not going to go into it too much today because it's my first session. I haven't got all my recording gear, so I think I probably won't do it any justice. But yeah, let's have a look at this charging pad. So what I really like about this is the fact that it's really lightweight. It weighs in at 68 grams. It's plastic obviously, but it's got a lovely feel to it. It's like almost rubberized. It's a 10 watt output, so that charges my Samsung 9 in around about an hour and 3/4, which isn't bad. You can see here it's got micro USB on the side and a little blue LED which indicates when it's plugged in. It comes with this cable which is around 60 centimeters in length, and yeah, it all feels really good. It feels a lot better than the £12.95 price tag would suggest. And another thing I like about it, you'll see that it isn't too fussy where you position your phone. I've got one at home, Belkin one, and that is really fussy. You have to get it bang on for it to charge. But as you can see again, straight away the charge kicks in. So yeah, all in all, I'm extremely impressed with this, and it saves me faffing around with a cable in the middle of the night when I'm in my bivvy.